Welcome back to this lesson, and in this lesson we'll be explaining about a fair value gap. Okay, what is a fair value gap? A fair value gap is a gap that shows inefficiency, or also we can say that it is an imbalance in which market can come and rebalance so that to fill the inefficiency. Okay, a fair value gap is created when you have a set of 3 candles, consecutive candles, for example in a bullish trend or a bearish trend, and in the set of those 3 candles, the first candle, it's weak. It's the gap between the wick of the first candle and the wick of the last candle. So I'll be showing you an example or different examples in the chart. So for example, I'll have one which is here. You can see that there is a set of 3 candles all in a bullish trend, and the first candle, the wick, the highest high, and the last candle, the lowest low, the wick. So that gap is the inefficiency, which is called the fair value gap. So here an example is this one, so I'll be naming it as fair value gap. We can see different examples, not only this, but we can see the second one, which is this one. You can see that there's a set of 1, 2, 3 candles, and in a bullish trend we can see that the fair value gap it tends to be characterized by heavy buying here in this bullish trend. So the second one is here. I'll train all of them in this chart, in the daily chart, and it is not limited to the daily chart. You can also find them, or you can go and identify them in the 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, all the time frames. You find fair value gaps. The third one is this one is a fair value gap, and we know that, or I can say that the fair value gap tends to be rebalanced, so that has to clear that inefficiency. There's also this one. You can see that here the market retested this inefficiency. The fourth one or the fifth one, you can see is this one. Now you can see that here the market is a set of 3 consecutive candles and in a bearish trend. So this also is a fair value gap, which was also retested here. The 6th one, it's also here. Yeah, that is those are examples of fair value gap. You can also go in your chart and identify for yourselves the examples of fair value gaps. Okay, that is for today's lesson. I hope you have understood the examples of fair value gap or what a fair value gap is. Thank you for watching.